Where am I? Who am I? Oh, right. My name's Jason. Oh, please don't tell me I got another. Oh, not again. Oh, not another food coma. Look at this mess. It's probably just the tip of the iceberg considering how much I eat. Hey guys, it's Jason. And I'm not sure what's really good about this, and I just realized something! My mom has a surprise waiting for me. I wonder what it could be. Time to find out what my other surprise is. Ooh! Oh, wow! That is such a beautiful bird! It's so colorful and fruit flavored looking and delicious. Huh? What's that? No, we can't eat that bird. We can't eat exotic pets. No, I don't care how delicious it looks. We can't eat it. Sheesh. Don't you hate it when both your stomachs talk back? If I can't eat it, what can I do with it? I can talk to it. Hi, birdie. Can you say hi? Ah. Oh, okay, that's a start, but that's really loud. Let's try singing. La la la. Oh, oh, ow. Oh. Sheesh, birdie. We're gonna have trouble if all I can do is that screech. Oh well, I know what I can do. I never let a person down, or a bird, so I'll let it become my apprentice.
No, you won't. There's something screwy about that bird.
What? What's wrong with him?
Just look.
Huh?
I don't want a pickle. Just wanna ride my motorcycle.
I still don't see what you're talking about.
Look again.
Why, what's he doing now? Okay, maybe he's got a few issues, but we can fix those screw-ups.
Okay, let me try and pet him.
No, wait, I wouldn't...
Shut up, I do what I want. Piss off! That's it, I'm shooting this bird.
What? He's my apprentice! He'll get better, I know...
Say more and I'll kill you.
Okay, Dad. I'm sorry.
You're grounded for a week. You deserve to rot in hell, Jason.
Okay. I get what I deserve. Alright, now that that's done and over with, I think it's time for me to say... Wait, whoa, how did you get on my...